Hey guys, so I just wanted to put all of this in here for you, show you how to do this. So BrainPop Junior, we're going to start using that one. The plan that we're going to use right now, I'm going to get a more detailed plan for you guys. Make sure he's doing his Freckle ELA and Freckle Math for 30 minutes a day for each. After that, in BrainPop, for this week, I just want to let him do some self-select things. So what I mean by that is he's going to go to Clever. This is his Clever. You're going to click BrainPop Junior. Okay. And he can go over here and let's say complete like one of these per day. So you have science, health, reading, writing, social studies, math. Obviously, reading and writing and math, I want him to try to do that every single day. So what I would do is just select it. And these are different categories. He can do any of these. So let's say reading skills. And then within that, there's different things in here. So he could say facts and opinions. So what I want him to do is to watch the little video. So there's a video here. And then you can take the easy quiz or the hard quiz. And then just do one of these other little activities down here. He can do any of them that he chooses. Um, so wordplay is this one. And I really like this one because it's different vocabulary. So he can draw what the word means. He could write what it means. So, type it out. Or he can act it out. So, like a little comic strip basically is what he's going to do. So any of those would be really good for him to do. Again, let's choose one in each subject per day. Okay, so watch the video, take the quiz, and then do, one little activity. There are some games on here too, so you could click game up. And so there's lots of fun little games that he can do, in regards to science, social studies. But as long as he's doing one science, one social studies, one English, and one math per day, he's good. I will be sending some more detailed things for him to work on. The other thing that I wanted to have him start working in is IXL. So if you click on IXL, it will log him in. So if you look over here, so there's a star, it'll say suggestion. So anything I'm going to assign to him, I will put up here. And so it'll come up as a suggestion. So make sure you use that. He can go over here and do the recommendations, and there's little recommended things for him to do for his age level and grade level. Right now I have like this diagnostic if he wants to take the diagnostic, and then it'll actually bring stuff in on here for him to play around with and use. So I hope that helps give a little bit of clarification. If not, please let me know.